January and you just hate it, cold, and you're just wishing you could just close your eyes and go somewhere else. That's why I've come to the Azores! Yeah, I was kind of hoping it'd be a little bit sunnier. Morning, welcome to my humble abode, my Renault Capture. It's my bed for last night. I didn't get in till, didn't land here until like 10 o'clock last night, so I just hired a car, drove out to the mountains and just slept here. I was intended to get up to like a good peak for sunrise. Sunrise is due in about 10 minutes, and it's only just starting getting light now. And yeah, about 10-20 minutes ago, all of this was just still pitch black, surrounded by fog and high winds, and you can still see it now. It's not too fantastic, so I've just been chilling out, having my breakfast of water and jelly babies until then, but must crack on, so I'm going to get myself ready and go out and venture in this lovely weather. Right. Right, since it was so foggy I couldn't really tell where I needed to go, so I thought I'd just go for a quick drive. Just parked up just over there, and all of a sudden the fog cleared, came here, and this was my view. This is my first view of the island proper. How amazing is that? That's the green lake, and that's the blue lake here at Sete Cidades. Sete Cidades, don't know how to pronounce it. Also, that is the Hotel Monte Palace, or Palace Monte, something like that. It used to be a 5-star hotel, one of the best in Europe apparently. It didn't do so well financially, so it's just here in ruin. I might have a quick wander around there later if I can, try and break in or something. But to show you, I didn't realise how exactly small this island is, because on the map you've got those lakes, and then supposedly in a short drive you got the coast. But that's the coast, that's the Atlantic Ocean. I didn't realise it was this small. Wow, this is amazing. I'm gonna go get changed and get hiking, because I've got to check in my flat at 12. Also, toilets, no lock, no door. I'm so glad these people didn't turn up before I went. Get changed and go. That's the view I should have. That's the view I do have. Well, you can't have everything. Shame, this is one place I was really looking forward to. I'll have to come back. But still. Pretty cool. Right, I'm going to hike back. I'm going to pop down the lake, see how cold it is. Yeah. Come back here though. this is Legao do Canario. Absolutely nailing this Portuguese. Yeah, little lake just outside of Sete Cidades, near the green and blue lakes. I think Sete Cidade stands for 7 cities, which counts for all the lakes around it. I think I'll have to double check on that one. But this whole area is loads of lakes around where the caldera is, where the volcano originally erupted. Yeah, pretty cool place. Shame the weather couldn't be a little bit better, but still makes for a pretty eerie setting. I'm not brave enough to take a dip just yet. Doesn't look that tempting. Right, now I think I'm going to go head into Sete Cidade, see if I can find myself a coffee, because I need a coffee. Right. One of the cool things about the drive down to Sete Cidade is you get to drive over the divide between the green and blue lakes. As you see, that one there is the green lake. It's a slightly smaller lake, and this one is the blue lake. There's nothing in them that gives off this. It's just the way the light hits it, which gives it the different colours. You can see from when you're up above, much clearer. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place. It's such a weird, like Jurassic World vibe driving down. As you can see, it's such a cool, like tropical island type deal. Yeah, awesome place. One other thing I was surprised about seeing driving in last night was the amount of cows I saw on the side of the road. But then I've just seen this. Yeah, definitely not something you see every day. Cows down the road. Not something you expect on a little island like this either, to be honest. Pretty cool. Right, it's definitely coffee time now before I go move into my flat. Bit of a change of plan. I spent far too long messing about flying the drone and taking pictures, so I'm not popping into Sete Cidade now. I'm now going to go instead book into my flat in Ponta Delgado. I've rented a flat, as you do, via Airbnb. Never done that before, never used Airbnb before, so another new thing. Going to try going to drive along part of the coast as well, so that'll be a bit of a different view that I haven't seen yet, although I am enjoying these nice tight windy bends up in the mountain. But yeah, on to the flat. This is my flat that I've rented through Airbnb. Just met the owner's son, nice dude. Anyway, let's take a tour. Little kitchen, So yeah, everything that I need. Ooh, yes, pool table, loads of books, place to chill out, TV, cool lighting, and yes, look at that view. Atlantic Ocean, port, really old church there. Let's check out the bedroom. Pretty cool place. It wasn't expensive either. What's in it? So, hey, very nice. Cool. Bathroom. Yeah, very nice. It's even got a little sink for short people to wash their hands in. That's very nice. That's very thoughtful. And well, if I want to invite people over to chat to while I'm having a poo, then there's a seat ready for them. Fantastic. Alright, this is what it's for though. Oh yes, that ocean air. There you go, mountains and hills in the background, ocean in front. Oh cool. Yeah, this is good. Alright, can't stay though. Quick shower, get changed. Well, shower, dump a load of my stuff, and then back out to where I was because I'm unfinished business. Checking that place out. I want to go back to that climb where I was this morning, and hopefully the clouds are gone. So, still not quite the view I wanted to get from there. Typically, as soon as all the locals left, that's when it really clouded over, which is the time I could actually get up and fly. Yeah, and after a couple of dodgy drone moments as well, which the app decided it would land on the side of the mountain, which I had to jump over the fence and grab. And that grass, that bush shrubbery stuff is a lot longer than you think. It was not fun. Anyway, now I'm going to head off to that abandoned hotel and see what I can see. Right, I think I found what could be the way in. So let's have a look. Yeah, that shouldn't be too hard to get into. But wow, look at this view. Right, let's go in. This would be the main lobby. The lifts were. Ooh, stairs. That's nice. It's pretty cool. Walking around an abandoned hotel. Spooky. Whoa! Schoolboy error. Just stepped out in what is now a huge pond on the roof, I guess. My shoes are soaked. How do I get to the roof hole? You know, when this was operational, this would have been a pretty amazing view as well. Look at that. Even in this cloud. Yeah, managed to make my way up to the roof. This is pretty cool. Love exploring abandoned places ever since from the time I was a kid in old RAF bases. It's cool. Well, that's pretty cool, but I've not eaten all day, so back to the flat and get some food on.